Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends, you are watching CSC Guide official YouTube channel and cscguideofficial.com website. Today I will tell you about one of another university started CSC scholarship admission and USC scholarship admission as well, but in this video we will just discuss Chinese government scholarship. So you can type CSC Guide official website or cscguideofficial.com in Google. So it's a request from my side, you must type type cscguideofficial.com in Google. So click on the first link. When you click on the first link, you can come here on our cscguideofficial.com website and click on the CSC scholarship admission. When you click on CSC scholarship admission, then you can find all these scholarships. Okay, so now we discuss China University of Petroleum, and in next video we will discuss Kunming Medical University. Okay, and this university is best for engineering purpose with some special measures. Can click here, you can go to the China University of Petroleum, East China. Okay, no, third is Chinese Government Scholarship 2020. University name is China University of Petroleum, East China. One is in East China and other one is I think South China. I like this. Okay, and university name is China University of Petroleum. Student category for master and PhD students. Scholarship type fully funded. Monthly allowance 3000 RMB for master and 3500 RMB for PhD. Online apply and send documents to the university. 1 January to 15th of April is the last date. 2020 15th April 2020 is the last date. Eligibility criteria for students is all international students can apply. Age limit for master 35 and for PhD 40 years. English you can apply with English proficiency certificate. IELTS is not mandatory. So how to apply for this scholarship? First you fill CSC online application form. How you fill CSC online application form? I think where is the okay, good. You fill CSC online application form. No need to apply on university portal. No application fee. Result will be announced at the end of July. Send your documents to the university. This is the mailing address of the university. Okay, click here how to apply on CSC portal. Click here and you can go to the link of the CSC. No internet connection, I think. Okay, so click on the online portal. Okay, so how you fill on CSC online application form? You can click here to watch video in English how you fill complete CSC online application form with the new method. No need to apply on university portal. Okay, required documents. Which documents required for this scholarship? All documents send in duplicate, means 2 sets of each document. Okay, make one set of all documents and make another set of all these documents. Okay, and this will become 2 documents. Okay, this is the agency number. And you must send your documents through Shenfeng Express service or DHL. Not use any other service like FedEx and your own courier service in your home country. But if you first try to send your documents through DHL and Shenfeng Express, I think it's only in China, not in other countries. So DHL is in international brand, so you can send your documents through DHL. Okay, but if you don't if in your country DHL is not available, then you can send your documents through FedEx and other service. But first you try to send your documents through DHL. Okay, they clearly mention on their official website. So I will check you how you send your how you in on official website what this is. I will tell you. Send this document through these 2 services. CSC online application form, agency number is 10425. Documents required for this. Highest online highest degree of certificates. If you are student if you are student then in 7th or 8th semester, then you provide your hope certificate. And if you are graduated yet and not get your highest degree certificate, then make a provisional certificate from your previous institute in which you are graduated. Okay, from which you are graduated. Transcript of highest education, notarized copy, study plan or research proposal not less than 1500 words, 2 recommendation letters, passport photocopies, physical examination form. So I'll suggest you must send physical examination form with blood test reports. It's not necessary. Blood test reports is not necessary, but it's my opinion, because some universities are demanding blood test report but not mentioned on their official website, like Northeast Agriculture University. They demand blood test report, but on official website they not mention. So if you don't have a blood test report yet, so don't need to attach, but if you have, then attach. Okay, English proficiency certificate IELTS is not mandatory. Acceptance letter of from CUP professor, they not mention on their official website that acceptance letter is mandatory, and they not mention that on their official website that acceptance letter is not mandatory. So it depends on you. If you have acceptance letter, then good and well. If you don't have acceptance letter, then contact with the university and ask from them, without acceptance letter can we apply or not, so they will tell you. HSK certificate if you have available. So if you don't have HSK, then don't worry. No copy of no criminal certificate means police clearance certificate if you have. No, we come to the official advertisement of South China University of Petroleum, East China. Okay, this university have other scholarship, but we discuss only Chinese government scholarship. In next video, I will make a special video on this, how you apply for CUP university scholarship. It's good opportunity, and how you apply for another scholarship like government scholarship, province government scholarship, I think. So 2 scholarship is available. Okay, this is a fully funded, everything is free, and this is the yearly they mention yearly monthly stipend. Okay, these are the supporting majors which they offer for scholarship. First is oil and natural gas engineering, geological engineering, chemical engineering, and technology management sciences and engineering. Good for those students who are asking for management sciences and engineering, oil and gas field development engineering, and these things. If you get acceptance letter from got acceptance letter from these major, other than these major, then contact with the professor and ask them, sir, my major is not in these 4 specific majors, so what should I do? Ask from international office. Either they give me scholarship in my major, or they select only these students from this major. Okay, they will tell you. You can see all these details. They also mention that please send applicants through by Shenfeng Express or DHL. Okay, admissions, students will receive the admission notice and visa application. So all these in this is very simple. You can see here, I think, acceptance letter from China Petroleum, China University of Petroleum, East China supervisor in Chinese of English. No format requirement, means format has not been required for this. So they not mention that it's mandatory, and they not mention that it's not mandatory. Okay, so hope so you like this video. I think everything will be cleared. If you have any problem, then contact on our website cscguideofficial.com, and everything which you want you can get here. So good luck and take care of you, and meet you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.